Okay, so we're going to show right now how to find the missing numbers of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so just a reminder, okay, a sequence, we know that's a list of numbers. So an arithmetic sequence, okay, is a list of numbers that are either adding or subtracting by the same number every time as you go from one to the next. Alright, so I'll give you a table here. Alright, so say that this was your table. Okay, and then you have, I give you the first number of the list is 5. Okay. And then the fourth number is 14. Okay, so if I ask you now to find the missing numbers in here, okay, all we have to do is figure out what we need to add or subtract every time, and then we can just do it there and do it there, and we'll be done. Okay, so this is how you do it. It's pretty easy. Okay, you do the last number minus the first number, 14 minus 5. Okay, then whatever you get, you're going to divide that, okay, by the amount of jumps it takes you to get from one number to the next, the beginning to the end. Okay, now that number is always going to be however many blanks there are, but plus 1. Okay, because if we're starting from 5 and we want to get to 14, we're going to have to jump once. Whoops. We have to jump once and then twice, right? But then 3 times to actually get over there. So it's always going to be 1 more than the amount of empty spaces. And in this case, that's 2. Okay? So we're going to end up dividing this by 3. All right, always just 1 more than the gaps. Okay, 14 minus 5 is 9. All right, 2 plus 1 is 3. And then if we do 9 divided by 3, okay, that's going to give us 3. So what that tells us is that's how much we have to add every time. Okay, if you came out with a negative number, that's how you would know it was subtracting. Okay, so if we know now we have to add 3 every time, that's easy. This is 8, this is 11, and then plus 3 again would be 14. All right, so it's last minus first, okay, divided by the empty spaces plus 1 every time.